know the girl may have more lyrics than you with a team. Sorry. Never mean for calling that. Come to do the boy.
It's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. My viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. Yeah, man. You know we keep it real on the battlefield by yourself. Yo. Yo, the war I get hot. Like it steam up. I can feel the heat. Mr. Vegas, clap back at Bounty Killer. Zid, at this time, Mr. Vegas I'm go all out. Vegas talk some things in the song, but not lie. Good response. You know what I mean? And we're sure to go turn out still my viewers and subscribers. See, more review the song in the start, but afraid I can't take another strike.
I watch them on the German represent for Lionfoot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lionfoot Patriots out there.
But anyway, I'm gonna just go and talk still. You see me? Yeah. Big up, the Subi Warrior. Nice artwork. You see me, as I can see me make a comment on the song. Nice artwork and quick response. Is it safe to review this without getting a strike? So, you know, me now make sure I ask. You know, Mr. Youth keep it real in my fans. You see me? Big up everyone. See, yeah, man. So, I ask the question, is it safe? Because all this free and love and war, you know, and hate and peace, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. So, we want to know so we can review the song them. And as much as, you know, big up the Subi, me now not against him, you know. You see me? Maybe him feel like you say, Bounty and my artist, me go pick side. And me not pick no side from day one. You see me? Me just speak my mind and thing and give my opinion and, you know what I mean, take it the other way, you see. But the truth is an offense. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, the Subi, Mr. Vegas clap back with his song. Zine, all out. The man talk some stuff. The man say, yo, Bounty talk about fish and him produce a whole aquarium. And that means the whole alliance lean up. And that Mr. Vegas, I said that. The man say, I talk about rear gas, because I know Bounty call Vegas rear gas. The man say, I'm friend them, you see me smell him friend them weird and I talk about tear gas. Yeah, smell a friend them weird gas and I talk about tear gas. The man also talk about him love shit in a girl, bed and them sick. Yes, Mr. Vegas touch some points still and I saw clash thing going. When you clash you have to talk where, you know what I mean, things were happen out there are allegations. You see me? The man say, Claudia said, Bounty shit her up and be a sitting. Be a thing. The song, you know what I mean, when you can go check out the song still. You see it? I want to review the song in the but I'm afraid that. You see me? I'm afraid still, but I can't scam by that, man. I don't know. If I get the okay, yeah, I know say yeah. But I just go and talk. So, I know I hear the song already. So, big up on yourself. You see, big up on yourself. I'll Foota hype get clear too. The man say Foota hype. Foota hype I keep secret, so I might get it too. You see me? And I like group with them. I'm going to look at peace still in it. Risk me around now. Risk me around. Can I hear me if you take and send back merciless car the pussy down here take off Pete in the dress? Why son see what shot fire they say look who are the number of viewers and subscribers, you know. Subi Warrior. Hey, the fans of Subi Warrior. We want to say who are leader? Who are lead so far? Why the man say, yo, gotta hear me if you take and give back merciless. Because the boy doing and take off Pete in the dress. I said my heart can't them the fire still in. I wonder what killer feel where they wear them. Yo, my viewers and subscribers. You know Lionfoot keep it real already. We not bias or take side, you know, we speak the truth. You know what I mean? I speak with mine. You see it? Yeah man, I'll Foota get it too. Yeah, well, go on. Foota know what him a keep secret, all him dead in the bar cause him a keep it. Foota keep secret, so him dead in the bar cause him a keep it and don't want to leak it. So basically Vegas I say, Foota have bounty file and I'm afraid to leak it, you see it? Gunshot in a boy mouth, Vegas a go all out. Gunshot in a boy mouth, you know? Yes, nah lie still. Viewers and subscribers, let me know who are lead so far, you see me? Yes, rear gas, Bounty say rear gas, and Mr. Vegas say all out. You see me? Yeah, so we see how Dexta Daps do a video with I say yo, kill him. And we could see that.
Bomba clock this. Gear gas. Me for clash. Gear gas. Oh, the bomba rascal this. I'm madness this. Me want piece of the word. But you was a madman. I never know say you was not good. I never know you didn't see. Listen to me, man. Why me make two of my girl and kill her? Man, I make two of my girl and kill her. Because I'm sure the girl over me have more lyrics than you with a body. Sorry. Never mean for call you that. Come to do the boy. Yo. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him.
Okay, the viewers of Dancehall, Subi fans and the Alliance fans, I want to think after watching that video from Dexta Daps, you think him should I get involved or him decently a style Subi, Mr. Vegas? Because I don't you say Vegas. You never say Vegas and him say Vegas. Zine and him say but him all about the basically him say batty boy. You see me, but him all about the bat. He must say, I don't know nothing boy yo. But him a laugh and I say, kill it. So clearly you see say Dexta up on killer side. DJ Kenny on killer side. Me neutral, you know. Killer me artist, but me neutral. Me neutral in other warrior, lyrical warrior. Me want to see it go on. And right now 1-1. Someone don't tell me who a lead. You see me? Yeah man, who a lead? Who a lead? Let me know in the comment section, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, you don't know a lion foot and that's how we deal with the thing. So me I say, yeah man, Subi him deliver well and the song nice and sound good and mix good too, you see it? Adding towards that as well, he must say he mentioned some stuff that has been out there and in the public, you know what I mean, relating to Bounty, you know what I mean, allegations, alleged situation, you know, like the angel shit in a bed and, you know, Claudia, Bounty X, and, you know, the look up in the business there, you know what I mean, and yeah. So, I saw clash thing go still. Sometimes people, artists say things when I go so, just we get back at your heart to win the fans, you see it, so. But we see how Bounty Killer go respond to this. You know what I mean? That track here all out. I will know. The Subu Warrior come like him prepare for this, make up his mind for this. He mad enough, you know what I mean? I'm sure say, yeah, him no fear, him not back down no more from the general. No bully is him. You see it, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, I want to love and blessings, man. We say give thanks to life, health, and strength. Life are the greatest gift. So me I say, yes, man, peace, love, and unity in the world star, cause the world I want to read right now, but I just want to listen to some music, yeah, man, and some lyrical battle. Yeah. So me I say musically, yeah, man, and the fans them just real fun artists, them, and you know what I mean, don't be biased. You see it? Yeah, man, so big up all of the Subi Warrior fans them, and big up all of the Alliance fans them. Why, Mr. Vegas say, man, I talk about fish and him produced a whole aquarium. That line them bad still. You see what I say? So, boy, I tell you, I wonder how the Alliance artists are going to respond to this. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I that big up on yourself, you know. Sorry, I couldn't review the song properly. Don't think I'm biased. You see me, it's just that I'm afraid when I want the channel to get the most strike. The channel get too much fight, is it? So we just put a little snippet still. Hopefully, it never come off nothing. See? Yeah, man, so big up on yourself. I'm gone, I'm out.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.